Okay, please do not mind my hair, guys. I'm so excited. So today, I'm sorry, I don't have a message. Okay, so today, my Rubik's Cube came today. I didn't open it. I just crossed out my address and everything. It's a 2x2x2. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I kind of don't want to open it, but then I do want to open it, so. Oh my god. It's from all the way from Hong Kong. So. Oh, they actually are a store. So it's eBay Mother. And it's all the way from Hong Kong. So, yeah.
I'm taking your door.
Oh my god. It's, Yang G Toys? I think that's how you say it. I don't know. So, it's, this is, what is it? Chinese? I don't know. It says it there, so. Yeah. Oh god, I just ripped the packaging. Oh my god, that's crazy. So the red side was on top first. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. Oh, it's cold. It's been sitting like that for a while. So it's moves pretty easily. Oh, you can really cut corners. That's cool. So you can tell it's cold, or yeah, but it's instead of white they have black, so it has like the white around. Like, you can cut corners, like, I don't know if y'all can see, like, wait, there, it's like, oh my god. There's texture to this. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a little bit of texture to this. It, like, goes by really fast, and can y'all, like, see in there-ish, sort of? I don't know. This is my first 2x2, so yeah, I am really excited with this. Skill level 1 star. Oh my god. And it's in like a cute little box. So cool. Oh my god, excitement. Yeah, it's ages 6 and up, so y'all qualify. So yeah, oh my god. See, it says China Post on there. So, yeah. There's bubble wrap in here. I'm so excited! Ah! Yeah, so my unboxing of my 2x2 all the way from Hong Kong. So excited, waited so long.